Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we will learn RA row of Katakana RA, RE, RU, RE, row. First one, RA. Pronounce RA. Example word, radio. Radio, which means radio. Radio. Example sentence, radio wo kikimasu. Radio wo kikimasu. Meaning, I listen to the radio. Radio wo kikimasu. Next one, re. Re. Example word, remote. Remote means remote control. Remote is a short form of remote control in Japanese. Full form is remoto control. Let's see the example sentence. Omocho wa remoto control de ugokimasu. Which means the toy moves by remote control. Omocho wa remoto control de ugokimasu. Next we have ru. Ru. Example word, room. Room, which means room. Example sentence, kono room wa hiroi desu. Kono room wa hiroi desu. The room is spacious. Kono room wa hiroi desu. Next one, re. Re. Example word, restaurant. Restaurant means restaurant. Example sentence, restaurant e ikimasu. Restaurant e ikimasu. I go to a restaurant. Restaurant e ikimasu. Last one, row. Row. Example word, roboto. Roboto, which means robot. Example sentence, roboto wo tsukurimasu. Roboto wo tsukurimasu. I make a robot. Roboto wo tsukurimasu. That's all for today's lesson. In the next episode, we will learn the Katakana RA Row, wo, and also the final standalone sounds. Thank you for watching. Matane.